trying to go upstream in energy management as well and distribution.
We have 100 ampere power supply, and the size or rating of the charger is based on the available capacity or available power supply of the site.